don't know if you can really see it, but yeah. These guys are all over. Must be something either in the water or the tide or something. Oh, look at that. Looks like some sort of like spearfish or something. Very pointy beak. I could be completely about these fish names, so don't judge me too harsh on it, because I don't know anything about any fish. Chilling at the beach, I'm waiting my friend's cousin, who's gonna take us to a waterfall, which is about 30 minutes in some direction over here. There's a waterfall that I really want to go to, but yeah, I'm just chilling at the pier because his cousin said it's not ready yet. But yeah, I'm excited and I'm ready for this excursion trip, day trip type deal. Okay, we're about to go into the mountain, as you can see over. But as of right now, he's being nice. He's letting us go outside, take some pictures, take some photos, take some videos. Right now, I need to get over this rock onto this. But yeah, this is actually very nice. Very beautiful, hot day today. Hopefully there's nothing in this grass. I feel like there is, but I highly doubt. I don't know if it was man-made recently or like back in the Mayan days, but it looks like we can go up, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's see what they got here. Oh. Very narrow steps. I want to go and take some photos with my camera. I'm pulling my camera right now. This whole fall to ourselves here. I don't even know where we are. A guy over here just took us to this fall, and it's absolutely beautiful. I've been to a lot of places, Puerto Rico twice, but this is coming close to being more beautiful than Puerto Rico, and I've been there multiple times. But this is very, very nice. This is amazing. Let's go, Dante. Woo! Yo, this is beautiful, bro.
Is it deep?
This is
Yo,
beautiful.
is it deep?
Is it deep?
Yeah.
Farewell. Farewell, beautiful waterfall. Oh man, that was so much fun.
I should probably take a video.
What happened? Oh yeah. I had him take a video. Get one last good look before we leave. That's something you'll never forget.